What up, YouTube? I'm back out here again with another banger. Now today, as you saw from the thumbnail, we are going to be doing the rear bags. I know it's been a while. It's been like, what, 2 days? I've just been working a lot and haven't had the time to work on the car. Now today, it's finally the day I can do the bags. On the rear, I did the fronts. The fronts, I have to go a little bit lower, just a little bit lower, as you see. It's like one finger in each side, but when I air out, it's actually less than a finger. So this one's like a finger, that one's literally no finger. So I gotta take this one apart again and redo it. The back, I have to lower it just a little bit from this side, as you see. But today we're gonna be doing the rear. And that's pretty much it. Everything works, as you saw from the last clip, the last video. Take you over here. So I have everything over here in this little corner, and that should be it. And then we're gonna go cruise downtown on some bags. So yeah, let's get this day started. All right, everyone. Right now I'm actually taking out this bracket. Actually not bracket, this bucket, and replacing it with this new bucket, because this one came with a bracket. So it's just a 14mm, these two bolts, and I'm just going to transfer the new bucket right here. But pretty simple. So I'll get back to you when I take off all these buckets. All right, as you see, all the buckets are out right here. So I want to slap in the new ones, just like this. Oh, my bad. Just like that, and then get the two washers, put them in there. Come on, there we go. And do the same thing for this one. Just like that. So I'm gonna do the other one, that one right there. So I'll get back to you when it's all done. All right, everyone, this one's done and this one is done. So now I'm gonna go jack up the car. So I'm gonna jack up the Z right now and get it started right now. I'm gonna get this shit started and knock it out real quick. It's like 11, almost 12. So we should have some good time in our hands, I believe. We should be good. So yeah. All right, everyone, as you see, it's kind of sketchy. This jack is kind of broken, but you know, I gotta make do. So right now I got the bolt off. It's a 18mm, and I use an adjustable wrench right there for the other side. So yeah, so we're gonna knock this out. So they just said on the forums to go really slow so the spring doesn't, you know, shoot up. So let's see how this goes. All right, I think it's out. So I'm gonna take it out right now and I'll be back with you. All right, everyone, she's out. Here she is. So actually I used both hands, so I actually had to push this right here all the way down and then just grabbed it off and took it out. Looks pretty cool. I'm still gonna keep all the stock parts. Yes, the bags will be up for sale once I sell this car, putting everything back the way I got it. So I might even keep this bumper somewhere or get a new bumper, because the Nismo bumper, I'm gonna be selling that one for like 600. Get some money back. So awesome. Let's do this. Let's knock this out and I'll be back with you. All right, everyone, check it out. I have it I'm gonna show you which drill bit I used. So I actually used the 5/16, and then I realized, oh, it's not going in. So I used the one bigger, 3/8, and it actually fit in perfect. So I got the flush fitment. This I have to tighten. I believe it's kind of loose. So I'm gonna measure this side up and measure the other side. I think this side is the one that's lower than the other side. So I'm just gonna do some measurements. But I'm gonna get the bracket right in there, as you see. Should be not too hard. So here it is. So I'm gonna mount this up and get it ready. All right, everyone, check it out. It was actually pretty difficult. It took me an hour because this wasn't aligning with this grommet. So what I did is I loosened that bolt quite a bit, not fully, quite a bit, and I actually managed to line it up super easy. Like, I recommend taking that bolt off over there to do this, because I tried to take this off and I don't know what's going on with this bolt. It loosens very little, like so little, like it literally, like right now, that shit does not move. So either that bolt is messed up, but we did use a torque gun and we over tightened the shit out of it. So who knows? So yeah, so then I tightened all of these. I kind of forgot to tighten the ones on top, but I finger tightened them pretty tight, and the bracket's right here. I'm moving the bracket right now. That is not coming out. So, which is good, which is pretty good. I tightened the bolt right here in the bottom, as you see. And check it out, here's the bag. Cool. So I'm just gonna put the hose, and then here's my air hose right there. Boop, right there. So I'm gonna, you know, fix everything, you know, zip tie the crap out of that thing. That shit likes to move around a lot when I air out. So I think I got a little bit of camber. It looks like I got some camber, not a lot. I think like -2 maybe. I'm gonna measure it right now and get back to you guys. All right, everyone, just like that, I have the hose connected, rerouted. I don't know how I'm gonna reroute it. There's a grommet like right over there, and I'm probably just gonna pull it in and have it hooked up to the tank. Everyone, I actually have -4, so that's gonna look pretty good. I am gonna do a little bit of camber in the focus. I am gonna do a little bit of camber in the front, just a little bit. I don't know how much, to be honest. It might be -3 or 4 as well. My last build had -4 on the Lexus, so I'm gonna run it. So let's go. Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready for this. Oh my god, look how low that is. Holy crap. Damn. And that's not even aired out. Damn. Bro, that is low. That is just so low. Oh, we outside. Holy crap, everyone. That's so good. Yo, that frustration, all that like negativity that I was having, you know, frustrating on that little bolt, you know what? It was worth it. Check that out. Holy crap. Compare that to this side. I mean, it's low, but like, it's not low. You know what I'm saying? Oh. That is low, everyone. Look at that. Look at that. It dropped more on the floor. So now it's a finger. And then this is literally no fingers anymore. So, damn, that looks good. That looks good. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, also I painted this blue to match the car. New setup, new. All right, everyone, as you see, everything's done. I just mounted it up. I believe I got -4 as well. I didn't check, but I'm gonna assume I got -4. Also run the wire, the long one right here. This is the long wire. I drilled, you see my drill spots. I drilled one here, and here's the air hose. No, this is the air hose, and here's the catch water can hose right here. The trunk is, this is not the final trunk setup. I just have school and work, so I'm gonna have someone custom do it for me. So it's gonna be looking kind of rough, but we're gonna lower this down and see the fitment. All right, everyone, here it is tucking. I put a lot of wood. I didn't destroy. but I cracked the paint right there in that corner. But the car's gonna get to the paint shop soon and get fixed. So I'm tucking quite a bit compared to the other side. So I'm gonna back up the car or pull it forward, I believe, so I don't destroy this. So give me a minute. All right, everyone, check it out. It is all done, all set. I recalibrated it. I have to lower this side and lower that side. That's what happens, you know. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll see. And so I'm gonna start on this side and lower it, and then I'm gonna work my way in the back again. It's pretty low, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna lower it right now, fully maxed on the floor, and let's see how it looks. All right, everyone, here she is lowered out. Check it out. Damn. She's fully lowered to the floor. Look at her. Look at her. Oh. Sexy. So yeah, I'm gonna raise these two sides and lower it a little bit more, and I'll come back with you when everything's done. All right, everyone, check it out. Look at that fitment. You can't tell me that's God tier fitment. Look at that. Oh my God, that's sexy fitment right there. Check out the other side. Oh my God, look at that fitment. You cannot say that's not God tier fitment. So the back is fully done. Look how low that thing is. Let's go from the back. Yeah, she's on the floor. She is on the floor. I do need to get a camber kit for the rear. You see the tire doesn't poke as much compared to this tire. Actually, okay. Yeah, you see, there's more poke on this tire. I don't really know why. So I gotta figure that out. So I'll catch you in a minute. All right, everyone, as you see, it's nighttime already. I actually just finished. The back is all set and the front is all set. It's pretty good. I'm gonna get a camber kit for the front and one for the back, and then get the shit aligned. So I'm gonna go take it for a test drive right now and make sure everything works perfect. I'm gonna take it to a test drive, see if everything works, and you know, it's not rubbing and all that stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.